All right, Ballingers, we're back with your Big Jumbo. So I'm working on building the food drive up. You guys have got to get him on some kind of training schedule when you get back home, though. So, all right, so everybody at home, he's got the turn towards as a way to kind of gain more control. If I turn towards him, that will be good. I have a big hand signal. I'm going to try not to move forward at all. This is a big dog, though. I am going to use the name, even though for this dog, for some dogs you might not. The name's going to kind of draw him to me so I can move that way. He's got to have some kind of motion or he's not going to move. Elliot, heel, heel, good, down, wonderful, wonderful. Like, so same thing, I'm going to turn him back around. Got my hands, nope, 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 down. Good, good, good. I'm not going to use the name this time because I do already pretty much have to down. Lost my position. Heel. Good. Heel. Good. Down. That's not how you're supposed to do it. Good boy. Good. Good. Do you see how my drop in the tree threw off my momentum? Same thing. So my hands are here. I am hitting my buttons, but I am trying to make it more subtle. Supposedly coming out with collars with smaller remotes. They have this one that kind of fits on the back of your hand. I guess you could kind of do it like that. I don't think that would be as good, though, because you'd always have to have two hands to do the remote, and it would be much harder to be subtle. Elliot, heel, heel. I'm going to work on that. So you can see his food drive is building up, which is helping a lot. Good. Heel. To be able to get him in. He did try to go after just in his cage, but heel. Good. 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 Heel. Good. Down. Good. We have to let him know there's not going to be any barking at any smaller dogs, any dogs for that matter. All right, I'm going to try my turn towards again. Good. Good. Heel. Good. 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 All right, I'm pretty sure the dog had a down motion. Down. Good. What we need to start doing, because this turn right here, good, is out of sync. Heel, recording, good. See how the turn was better right there, down. Right, here comes this guy being dragged by his Yorkie, down. Good. Something like this, I'm going to let him know, don't even look at this dog. Heel, heel, heel. Down, down, heel, Elliot. Sure, you can see it was all he could do to not look at it. Good. Good. Down. Wonderful. Oh, I dropped my chicken. Heel. Heel. Same thing down. Oh, he's very alert, this one. All right, guys, we'll be right back.